Goodbye. Hi guys, so some people ask me how do I clean the dog's teeth, and to their surprise I tell them that I do it myself all the time. So the dog is 8 years old. For 7 years we've been cleaning his teeth on our own, just with the help of a couple tools and a brush and a toothpaste. The toothpaste is said to have a steak flavor, but I I don't smell a steak. He probably smells the steak. He loves it. So several of my friends were surprised to hear that in-home cleaning is possible, because their dog's teeth were so dirty. They decided to take their dogs to the vet to go under anesthesia to clean their teeth, because they're like really covered with like plaque and calcium and everything that can accumulate on the teeth. So yes, I love you too. I decided to record this video to demonstrate how we do it, and maybe you can buy those tools and just clean your dog's teeth as you please. He's like, I had enough of that. I'm leaving. So I usually sit down like this on the floor, and a hound comes in and lies down, and he lays his head on my leg like this. He uses a paper towel to catch all his drool to protect my clothing, and I gently expose his teeth by moving away his lips and inspecting all of the tartar and plaque deposits on the teeth. You're gonna have one or two tools, dental scaler, and a tartar remover, which I call a scraper. So to just gently move all of those tartar and plaque away from the gum off of the teeth. And the dog is going to be moving around because it's not very pleasant, and the scraping sound is probably not what he likes to hear. But you just let go and let him rest, and you can continue on the other side until he lets you get to the teeth that you need to get to. Here I am cleaning the little like holes and crevices in the back teeth on the side that sometimes fill in with food that doesn't smell real good. So those are going to be empty, clean, leaving the teeth pearly white. And I'm getting under the gum when I'm scraping, because the plaque can get under the gum, and then the dog can have inflammation. And red gums, inflamed gums are not good. So this dog has healthy gums. They're all pink. Teeth are all healthy, but it just takes a little bit to scrape those like yellow and brown stains. They just with a scaler, they just come off with sheets and sheets of like just hard calcium deposits. And why we're doing this before brushing the teeth is because the toothbrush is not going to get them. See, the dog is moving away. When I moved to his front teeth, he moved away because it's not very pleasant for him there. He just tolerates it there, but we just clean them real fast because there's not much here. Not much at all, but we still try to remove that yellow stuff away from the gums. Okay? And don't forget to scrape all of the smaller teeth and the back teeth in the very, very back, because they're the ones that usually get all of those calcium deposits and stains that may cause these problems later. And here we just came back to the lower teeth, the back teeth, just to get what we didn't get on our first pass. And if you clean your dog's teeth like this, maybe once a month, he'll get used to it, and you won't have to take your dog to the vet, to the dog dentist or to put your dog under anesthesia to do dental cleaning, or what's worse is teeth extraction. So keep your dog's teeth clean and they'll be fine. So here I'm just trying to get in the back where I can see some brown deposits on the very, very back teeth. It's sometimes hard to get, but he's been a good boy, just allowing me to get there. Very patient, in anticipation for his steak flavored toothpaste. Okay, scrape it off gently. If your dog is not used to this, the gums may bleed, but if you do it gently, it'll be okay. Okay, get used to it. Healthy pink gums are good, much better than the red inflamed gums. Okay. So here is the toothpaste that's supposed to taste like steak and a toothbrush. I let him smell it a little bit in anticipation, and he starts licking. See, he's already licking it because he knows it's good, and that's what he is there for. So start brushing, starting with the back teeth in circular motion, just covering all of the teeth. And he's licking it. He's gonna be moving his head, so I have to adjust the towel because he's drooling on the other side. But the whole process takes about 15 minutes, so it's not bad. Both sides. And just brush all of the teeth. So there's nothing left. All the powder has been removed. Now we're just polishing. Finishing polishing. I'm going to do the front, which he doesn't like. Just tolerates it. Still do it. Gently lift the snout. The snoot. Lift the snoot. To clean. That's it. So here's when we clean those teeth on the other side. As you can see, they're nice, clean, and shiny. This is the picture of when we started. You can see the yellow and brown spots. That's tartar. And this is clean teeth after the scraping and brushing. I hope it helps.